The 10th principle of HR envisages the importance of building feedback mechanisms into various systems and into the organization. As you differentiate various functions, various systems, there becomes a need to provide linkages between all of them. Also need to have a feedback and reinforcement kind of mechanisms. For example, once you recruit, it should flow into induction. And as you are inducting people, there should be some kind of a feedback back to the recruitment people. And once you inducted, it should flow into target setting mechanism or performance management mechanism. And once you start performing, from performance appraisal, it should flow, the input should flow into both recruitment as well as induction and so on. So like that you will find various HR systems are interlinked to each other, and the entire philosophy is constantly building competencies, building culture and building commitment of people. The same way you do it for HR, you do it for all the other functions. So finance feeds into HR, HR feeds into production, production feeds into quality, quality feeds into materials, materials in turn feeds into production in turn. So all functions are interrelated, and the biggest responsibility for ensuring inter-functional smoothness is by creating feedback mechanisms, renewal mechanisms and so on. So it is the HR function that has the unique advantage of treating the entire system as a whole and constantly examining if there are failures in terms of inter-system linkages, if feedback mechanisms are working, if systems and functions are reinforcing each other and the organization is functioning as a whole. This is a very, very critical role that has been given to the HR department by this particular principle, that HR department has to constantly ensure inter-system linkages and feedback mechanisms so that there is a mutual strengthening of various systems and process takes place. So this is a very glorious kind of a principle that we have envisaged at the time.